Dear students, welcome to today's GK session. Today we will start our new lesson number 5, Commonwealth Games. Commonwealth Games. What is the meaning of Commonwealth Games? The Commonwealth Games are a sports competition that is held every 4 years. Now let us read more about the Commonwealth Games. The Commonwealth Games is an international multi-sport event. Multi means several. Event involving athletes. What is the meaning of athletes? Athletes is a person who is skilled or trained in sports from the Commonwealth of Nation. What is the meaning of Commonwealth of Nation? Students, there are 54 countries under Commonwealth of Nations. Some countries is under the British rule, means under the rule of Queen Elizabeth, and some of the countries were previously under the British rule. India is also the part of a Commonwealth Games. Okay, now the event was first held in 1930. Commonwealth Games was first held in the year 1930 and has taken place every 4 years ever since. Recognize and match the names of mascots. What is the meaning of mascots in Commonwealth Games? Mascot means an animal or object that is believed to bring good luck, used in the Commonwealth Games held in the past. Okay, here we have to identify and match the names of mascots used in Commonwealth Games. Okay, look at this picture number 1. It is a picture of a killer whale. Whale was the mascot name used in the Commonwealth Games of Victoria held in the year 1994. Okay, what was the name given to the whale? Was cleavage. What is the answer? Cleavage. Now look at this picture number 2. It is a picture of the kangaroo. Okay, the kangaroo. The kangaroo was the mascot name used in the Commonwealth Games of Brisbane held in the year 1982. What was the name given to the kangaroo? It was Matilda. Okay, now look at this picture number 3. It is a picture of a cat. A cat was the mascot used in the Commonwealth Games of Manchester held in the year 2002. What was the name given to the mascot? It was Kit. Okay, now move to our next picture. It is a picture of the kiwi bird. The Auckland 1990 Commonwealth Games. Okay, the mascot was the kiwi bird and the name of the bird was Goldie. Okay, look at this picture number 5. It is a picture of a teddy bear. The Edmonton 1978 Commonwealth Games. The mascot was a teddy bear. And what was the name given to a teddy bear? Answer is Keanu. Okay. Now move to our next picture. Picture number 6. It is a picture of the orangutan. Okay. Orangutan. The orangutan was the mascot of the Kuala Lumpur 1998 Commonwealth Games. Okay, what was the name given to it? The answer is Veera. Okay, look at this picture. It is a picture of a black dog. Okay, a black dog. A black dog was the mascot of Edinburgh 1986 Commonwealth Games. The name given to black dog was Mac. Okay, Mac. Now look at this picture number 8. It is a red-tailed black cockatoo. Was the mascot of Melbourne 2006 Commonwealth Games. Okay, the name given to it was, what is the answer? Answer is Karak. Okay, now look at this picture number 9. It is a picture of a blue koala. Okay, the blue koala. A blue koala was the mascot of Queensland 2018 Commonwealth Games. The name given to the blue koala was Borobi. What is the answer here? Borobi. Look at this picture number 11. It is a picture of a Royal Bengal tiger. Okay, Delhi 2010. A Royal Bengal tiger was the mascot of Delhi 2010 Commonwealth Games. The name given to Royal Bengal tiger was Shara. Okay, look at this corner. What is written over this corner? The 2018 Commonwealth Games, one of the world's biggest multi-sport event, have kicked off, means started in the Australian host city. What is the name of host city? Host city is Queensland, which is in Australia of Gold Coast. Okay, now move to our next lesson. What is the name of the next lesson? The name of next lesson is Living Machine. Okay, now let us read about this chapter. The human body is the entire structure of a human organism and consists of a head. Head you all know, neck you all know. What is the meaning of torso? Torso means trunk. It is a trunk that includes chest and stomach. Okay, 2 arms and 2 legs. You know that? Now, the human body is the only machine for which there are no spare parts. No spare parts means there are no extra parts. Now, match the following vital body parts with the organs they are associated with. Here we have some vital body parts and the names of organs and picture. We have to match them and also match them with their function. Also, we have to match vital body parts with their functions. Okay, now let's start. First one is pacemaker. It is a kind of battery. Okay, which is related to or associated to heart. What is the function of pacemaker? What is the function of pacemaker? It is third, it initiates heartbeats to pump blood all around the body. Okay, now second one is taste buds, tiny bumps. By the name taste, it is clear that it is related or associated with tongue. Okay, now what is the function of taste buds? It enables you to taste things whether they are sour, bitter, sweet or salty. Third one is alveoli. Alveoli, minute air sacs. Okay, now alveoli is related to lungs. And what is the function of lungs? They exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide when you breathe in. Okay, now fourth one is Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule, a little cup. Okay, Bowman's capsule is related to which organ? It is related to here kidney. Okay, and what is the function of Bowman's capsule? They filter body's blood to remove wastes like urea, etc. and save useful substances like glucose and amino acids. Okay, now fifth one, marrow, soft jelly like tissue. Okay, it is related to which organ? It is related to bone. Okay, or associated to bone. Now, what is the function of marrow? What is the function of marrow? It is the body's factory where all blood cells are made. Okay, now next sixth one is cochlea, a spiral tube. It is related to ears. It is related to ears. And what is the function of cochlea? It is the main part for hearing sounds. Okay, now the last one is retina, lining of light sensitive cells. Okay, it is associated with the organ eye. Okay, and what is the function of retina? It registers the pictures and sends signals to the brain. Okay students, fill matchings of lesson number 5 and 6 in your book, and thank you for watching the video.